Hey guys, it's basically 12 or Mitch as you guys know me. Before I let you listen to today's bass cover, I just wanted to let you know the reason why I did this. Today's bass cover is going to be Spandau Ballet's True. And I think I've told you guys this before. I really don't like the song until it gets to the end. And I hope I don't get in trouble with a lot of you for saying this, but it's just that last part of the song. I think it's maybe the last maybe quarter of the song where you really get to hear that drum beat, and the timing is just a lot better than it was in the beginning. It sounds really good to me. And I know when you look at songs, it's the whole song. And because I like the end, it's because maybe of the beginning. I don't know. You're right. If the whole song was just the same way, I probably might just get sick of that last part. But I really enjoy that last part. It's just real easy going. It's actually real satisfying to play. So today I just wanted to play that ending part for you. And then I also wanted to let you guys know, if you're ever wondering, hey, where did you get that 12 in bass play 12? Well, it's my favorite number. And, everybody I think has a favorite number, I think. So the reason why my favorite number is 12 is I was born on the 12th. My shoe size is 12. All my favorite quarterbacks wear the number 12. And so today you get exactly 12 minutes of Spandau Ballet's ending part of True. So I just thought I'd give you some insight, like, why are you only playing part of the song? So hopefully you enjoy it. And if you want to time it, you can see that it's really 12 minutes from when I stop talking. Okay. All right, guys, I'll see you in my next video. Here is 12 minutes of the ending part of Spandau Ballet's True.